Hi there everyone. Today we are going to know about the latest update of Canva, that is Dreamlab's AI project. Here I have opened the interface where you can see if you just click here, see the latest launches. You can see here the Dreamlab project. It's a pro version. It is basically an imaginator, AI imaginator, which will give a significant impact in the industry. Let's try. After coming this, you can write any kind of a picture's name like a vintage, a vintage coffee, and select the sizes like 9:16 and then hit create. It's coming, it's loading now. Oh great, amazing. You can see the pictures. It's a high quality pictures. You can use it for your next projects. There will be no problem in it. And you can save it from here. Excellent. Thank you for joining us. We will see in the next video. Thank you.